Hello, I like make today back to school blondie cupcakes. What we do for this recipe? First of all, we need preheat oven to 170 degrees Celsius, which is 325 Fahrenheit. And we need line 12 whole cupcake tin. This recipe will make 12 generous cupcakes or 16 medium. So if you like, you can find one of those sort of fancy type of paper liners, or simply use white or black paper liners. Doesn't really matter. And once we line set aside, so for the recipe, what we need is, we need 100 gram butter. In total, we need 300 gram of white chocolate. But what we done with chocolate, 200 gram we chopped and we will melt it with butter, and another 100 gram we chop and it will be folded through the cake batter. So this one we just simply set aside. Then what we do is, we need 100 gram of nuts. You can choose any of your choice. We do macadamia, hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts. I will go for walnuts. And what we do is, next we have 3 eggs, 100 gram of soft brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 180 gram of plain flour, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So what we do, first of all, we have placed our butter into heat-proof bowl, and we add 200 gram of chopped white chocolate, and we melt over saucepan with a simmering water. So be very stir quite often, because white chocolate tend to be burn really quick. So basically we have to stir until chocolate is melted. Once melted entirely, what we do is set aside for now. So next step is to combine dry ingredients. So we add a pinch of salt into flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we mix together. Set aside again. So what we do with eggs, next step is take a large bowl and place our 3 eggs and brown sugar, and what we do is we beat with electric mixer until light and fluffy. When a mixture becomes lighter in color, thicker and creamy, what we do is we add vanilla essence, and we add also chocolate butter mixture, and we beat with the electric beaters until just combine. Fold through flour mixture and gently stir through remaining chopped white chocolate, which is 100 gram, and nuts. Now we divide a mixture among paper cases. Once divide among paper cases, bake for about 20 minutes. Once cooked, cool on a wire rack. For the decorations back to school cupcakes, what we need is, first of all, you can place a small type of a dollop of your favorite topping. I will use classic vanilla frosting and place in a piping bag fitted with large round nozzle, because we only need small amount of frosting to place on top of cupcakes. So for the decorations, first of all, simply use a white milky bars, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or simply white or dark chocolate melts, because they already look like circles. So simply trim them to shape of triangle of circles, and or cut small pieces of white chocolate and write on it, for example, back to school, or pipe various letters. And for piping, if you like, you can use writing, decorative writing icing, white or black, or use one of those like a chocolate type of writing icing, which is comes usually in a white milk and dark chocolate writing icing. And or simply use decorative pen. This pen is edible decorative pens, and they designed to write on chocolate, because if you see it's writing candy melts, they will write on candy melts and chocolate, because most of decorative pens designed to write on a fondant. So to make sure to write on a chocolate, we need purchase which is decorative pens for design for candy melts. This in particular Wilton brand, and we will use black and red to make some sort of line. You can use some sort of fondant tool or simply toothpick. So what we do is we just simply decorate pieces of chocolate. Once decorate as many as you like, write messages or subject, and simply set aside until we're ready to decorate cupcakes. To decorate blondie cupcakes, what we do is we just simply pipe. You can pipe a small amount or generous amount of the frosting or your favorite topping. Does not need massively much, because this cupcake is just beautiful, and simply place the decoration in it. Now we finish baking and decorating back to school blondie cupcakes. This is a very good recipe for every day. Also, it's very tasty, and everything will be in the description box. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Until next time, goodbye.